you want to rob a bank?
Time begins.
You say you're sick of fighting slash, the crashing lack of passion slash.
2 minutes.
Act so unattached, relax, I'm having none of that. You look fantastic, slashing me. I had your plan romantically. For saving slash recapturing with passion. We have back and we had half the cash and imagine dreams. So pack the math and make a scene. Like this transaction's happening. When fact is this is actually. This is a stick up with the money in the bag. I'm banking on a better plan to hit me any day. I'll take you on a date. Put everything we take to put on your best dress, babe. Robin,
90 seconds.
Let's recruit a crop of criminals, a crew to pull this off. Like a crew to day of crime, we need variety to spice it up. And an acrobat can bend the story back where it began. And all the hackers on the planet can't unpack us up again. We can do this, just the two of us. Let's run the classic plan. I'll be the distraction and they'll never catch your sleight of hand.
60 seconds.
This is a stick up with the money in the bag. I'm banking on a better plan to hit me any day. I'll take you on a date, split everything we take. So put on your high heels, babe. We're robbing a bank. You said you'll rob a
30 seconds.
if I'll go to church with you. So I sat through all the hymns in my best shirt and shiny shoes. But a deal's a deal. You took the wheel and we headed to our mark. You told me to lay low and keep my head down in the car. You were silent on the drive. It only hit me when we stopped.
15
You were driving us right back to church. Oh God, this was a double